What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And today I'm going to be doing my Q&A, always after SmackDown and AEW Rampage. Here's the thing about SmackDown. Besides the Matt Riddle and Orton and the Usos, SmackDown was terrible. Here's the thing. Remember how I said last week Drew McIntyre and Sami Zayn are having a lumberjack match tonight? Well, they did that. And why I am so mad, or at least trying to get mad, because after the match, Adam Pearce came out and said, I never thought someone would run away from a lumberjack match, but I was wrong. He used probably the same words I used. There will be no running, no escaping, because next week, well, there's also no disqualifications, no countouts, because next week, Sami Zayn, you're going one-on-one with McIntyre again, but this time, a steel cage match. Really, Adam Pearce? So, I guess you watch my videos. I guess Adam Pearce watches my videos, ladies and gentlemen. Because, as I said last week, throw the lumberjack match out the window and make it a steel cage match for tonight. But no, they're doing it next week. So thank you, Adam Pearce, for listening to me. I know you don't, but it's going to be recognized. So thank you. And do it right this time and end it. End this feud. I've had enough of Sami Zayn and Drew McIntyre. Move Drew McIntyre into the Universal WWE Championship spot so he can lose to Roman again. Thank you so much. So, besides that, let's start this Q&A. I have probably about 13 questions. Thank you so much, bro. This all goes out to wrestling media. Maybe 12 or 13 questions. But first, from my friend Michael, what are your latest pickups? I got NCIS Los Angeles Season 8 right there. And the backing is white right there. So, and with a yellow backing. So, that's always good. All right, let's get to these questions. First question is, what's your favorite DVD you own from wrestling media? Oh, that's a hard one. Well, my favorite are the Eddie Guerrero sets that I got, for very cheap. I got, the Levi Barrasso one. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But I got that for $5 at V-Stock, and I got the Cheating Death Stealing Life one for $4. And this right here, actually these two right here, are a steal. I got Chris Benoit Hard Knocks for $10. And what's so good about this DVD, it's just not the price I got it for. There's two things. First off, I got it on my birthday. This was a rare find, and and I found it on my birthday. Like, thank you. And guess what? It came with insert, bro. Let's go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the documentary. I would also love the Dark Side of the Ring season 2 from him, but I can't find it anywhere for cheap or good. So this is probably this is probably my favorite. Well, not my favorite, but right there. And then this is the other rarity I found for $10. WrestleMania 18. WrestleMania 18, ladies and gentlemen. With poster insert. Let's go. So I found WrestleMania 18 complete. Of course, my favorite matches on here are Ric Flair and The Undertaker and Hogan versus Rock. But my favorite DVD is this. Well, I also found Survivor Series 2002 on eBay for $11 with insert, and poster Rob Van Dam right there, ladies and gentlemen. Besides my favorite DVD, and this like secludes WrestleMania 30, like that would probably go down to my favorite Mania, and then 31, and then like 38, because Cody came back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, where is it? My favorite match comp DVD is this one. Shawn Michaels, My Journey, for $6. This has like the best matches that he's ever produced. And then you also have Shawn Michaels, Mr. WrestleMania, right there on Blu-ray. Another favorite of mine, Shawn versus Brett. If you're talking about modern WWE, Extreme Rules 2012, ladies and gentlemen. Extreme Rules 2012 by a long shot. But my favorite documentary, it has to be, oh my god, that's hard. Maybe I'm not sure about that. What's my favorite DVD? well, my favorite DVD is the Shawn Michaels My Journey, but like other one, oh, my, maybe this is it. The Undertaker: The Last Ride. This is a all-time favorite because it's a documentary about the Taker. How like how wrong can you not get about The Undertaker: Last Ride? This is a gold documentary. And, like there's Rise and Fall of WCW. The Definitive Collection with Ric Flair. I mean, okay, the Rise and Fall of ECW. That is all disc 1, ladies and gentlemen. The whole documentary is 3 hours. Awesome stuff. And then, like, where did it go? You have this. Another favorite of mine. Stone Cold. This is the most I've ever paid for a Blu-ray for $20 at V-Stock. Now, I know I shouldn't have paid. I should have paid less. You're right. But it came with an insert. Come on, man. It's right there. But yeah, so maybe my favorite docs. Rise and Fall of ECW, Stone Cold, Ric Flair, the Definitive Collection, and then Hard Knocks. Great stuff. And then what is the most DVD you have watched? Oh God. I've watched this more than once on occasion. Survivor Series 2018 because of Brian and Brock right there. I think I watch all my DVDs more than once. Like, all of them. WrestleMania 30 I watched more than once for that great Brian thing, celebration. What DVDs have I? I've watched Ruthless Aggression. I've seen the whole year of SummerSlams. I'm in the middle of 2005, so like in Raw and SmackDown. So I watched the SmackDown first, and I watched all those pay-per-views, and then like if it's like a dual branded pay-per-view, I watch that more than once. But the DVD I watch more than once. I watched the Rey Mysterio from like the 2006 one, Biggest Little Man for the 2K showcase. I've watched this probably 5 times already. Last Ride. I've seen this 3 times. Yeah. I've watched WrestleMania 22 about 6 times for that Mick Foley and Edge match. I've seen WrestleMania 18 twice. Yeah, probably the Shawn Michaels one I've seen a bunch of times. I watch the AEW sets like nut crazy with my friends. Let's see. I've watched a bunch of crap, man. More than once. I think I've seen Survivor Series 2016 through 18 the most. Because I just love those matches. I've seen WrestleMania 35 6 times. Yes, 6 times. I've watched this 3 times because I love the Taker and Styles match. So, yeah. I think I've seen every DVD I've have more than one. Like, I've watched this is a gold documentary, or for a 30 for 30 on Flair, and I've seen this 10 times since I got it. I've seen the Andre the Giant documentary on HBO 6 times. This is pure gold right here. So, next question is, which DVD box set do you want in your collection if money wasn't the issue? Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Hell, people. No. Okay, so if money wasn't a issue, got on eBay right now. I am not gonna pay this, but if money wasn't an issue, I want, like, for real, I could have got this when it came out. The Scott Hall DVD is, here's one pre-owned for $50, 80. Come on. If money wasn't an issue, the other one I would get is a 2005 box set. I'm not paying $300 for that. I'm not. I got the Raw 20th anniversary for $20 off FYE's website. I'm smart with my money. I mean, like, I think the most I've ever paid for a Blu-ray is that Stone Cold. Was that Stone Cold for $20 off V-Stock? I don't know. Alright, let's see. WWE DVDs. 2000. WrestleMania 17. Rock versus Austin 2. That DVD is going for... It's not even on eBay. What? Let's see. Oh, I skipped a question. Hold on. Which DVD was the most expensive? I'll come back to that question soon. What do you view as most expensive? I buy everything cheap. So I got, for also $10, I got Macho Man, the Randy Savage story. But I got this for $60. Now it's not WWE, but the Prison Break box set. It's 88 episodes for 5 seasons for $60. That's like a steal. But that was very expensive. I know it doesn't seem expensive to you guys, but to me, yeah. At V-Stock, I think what did I do? Oh, I paid $30 for a season 1 of Heels, by the way. That is outrageous. For a 2-disc set, by the way. A 2-disc set for $30. Are you kidding me? And also, I think like CM Punk is in this. Okay, let's look at this. Hold on. My eBay. I paid about $15 for SummerSlam 2002 off here. Let's see, purchase history. Oh, okay. I really want the Owen Heart of Gold set for the 3-disc set. I have the first disc, but I also want that. What is it? Now, if I pay for this on eBay, this would be the rarest. Actually, this is the rarest DVD I have. And this goes on sale for $60. The 4-disc set of He Buries Him Alive and the Deadliest Matches. $60 for real. Or that was like back in the day, like maybe about like 2 years ago. That was on there. Yeah. I paid $12 for a Blu-ray. So that's not very expensive, but like I paid $60 for the Prison Break set. I paid $20 for, or possibly $30 for the 12-disc set of Raw, which is completely like dumb, but yeah, you want that in your collection because it's a 12-disc set. I paid $60 for the Breaking Bad set, and no joke, this was $160. I got $100 off. I got this for $60 on Prime Day. No joke. The Breaking Bad set. You know these are expensive. Oh my god, I found it. Let's go! The Spider-Man 2, the comic book. Thank God. I've been looking for this. Put this here. Will that close? No, it won't. Damn it. Alright, go back. But you know these cost like $24 a piece for the 2 disc sets. This is okay. That's insane. That a 2 disc set at Walmart for WWE costs like 15, 10, $15. This costs 25. A 1 disc set costs 20. Why? Just why? All right. Next question. Okay. Box set. Again, the 2005 box set and all of the 2000 I have all the 2008 pay-per-views. I have 09 I have 08 through 2021 complete. No, I have 08 through 20, I don't know, 2014 complete. Yeah, so I need first off I need more space. Yeah, but I'm looking for all the 2005 pay-per-views. I want Matt Hardy versus Edge rivalry, and then Kane versus Edge rivalry. On disc, please. But, again, like I said, I'm not paying $235. Now, if money wasn't an issue, like you said, the 2005 box set for real, I would pay for that. Ship it to my house. Alright. What's your least favorite DVD you own? Thank God I don't own this DVD, but if I owned it, it would be the John Morrison DVD, but thank God I don't own that. I think I don't know. I like all my DVDs, but if there were, I don't know, man. What's a WWE DVD I don't watch ever? Holy crap. That's a hard one. I'm going to get back to that. Alright. What DVD would you like to see from WWE? Now, again, if they were making documentaries like they were back in the day, I would love to see, well, he's no longer in the company, but like, I don't know if they're going to do this, but AEW needs to make a Brody Lee documentary, or WWE needs to make a Luke Harper documentary, or just the Wyatt family documentary. Like how they got into the wrestling, how do they know each other, or make a volume 2, and they need to put this on disc, but the UK is getting it. I don't understand why. Okay, I believe that wrestling media is from the UK, so this is not slandered against the UK people at all. I'm just making a point here. Ruthless Aggression Volume 1. Ruthless Aggression Volume 1. They have Volume 2 is on Peacock. The UK is getting it on DVD. What about the US? WWE, make it right and put Volume 2 of Ruthless Aggression on DVD. Please. I want it on DVD. And all of us do. Please. 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 Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Where is it? The history of championships. First of all, so we have the Intercontinental title, the Hardcore title, the World title, the WWE title, the United States title. Where is the tag team title? DVD. Where is it? Where is it? WWE needs to make it right. A Cody Rhodes documentary. Like, why did he come back? Yes, I know why he came back. But, like, growing up, being the son of the plumber, Dusty Rhodes. Like, come on. Crank out more documentaries, please. And it can even be like this. Like, talk for a bit, and then, like, the matches, and then talk for a bit. Or you could just do like this. Okay, first of all, WWE 24 needs to come out with more. Put that on DVD. I want the best of 2021 and 22. Bring out more stories. Please. Please. Or the best of Survivor Series documentary. Yes, we had that 30 best moment thing. That sucked. I'm not getting that on DVD. The best of SummerSlam documentary. No, we're just gonna give you matches that you've seen before. Yeah. Put that on DVD, please. The documentary of SummerSlam. Please. What do you think of the network or Peacock? Dude, the network was around for 6 years. Or 8. I'm not sure. Vince McMahon signed on a Peacock for $1 billion. Okay. What about your life loyal fans? Yeah, lifelong. That don't want to pay like the $10 or $20 or the $50. I don't know how much Peacock costs. I think like $10. But now you're going from a just WWE based network onto a network that's NBC, has like 2.5 Men, Parks and Rec. Guys, Peacock, like, sometimes works. Sometimes. Not all the time. Okay. I need, not because this is a great DVD, which it is, because it has a great main event. I need to get Money in the Bank again. Because you know why? I'll tell you why if you're saying why. Because it glitched. Peacock glitched during the Money in the Bank match. I needed to get this right away to watch it because I didn't know what was going to happen. So, WrestleMania Backlash I needed to get. Because I love Cesaro, man. I can't believe they let him go. Yeah. I would go back to the network, but I like Peacock because you have like 2.5 Men, like I said. But the WWE glitched, like, since it came out, but it was getting better. Like in 2014, I didn't get it. I got it like in 2015, like late 2014. Because I think it came out in February of 14 and I got it in December of 14. Because it glitched like so much. So now we're going back to what is your least favorite DVD you have? Holy crap. I don't even... No, that's a good set. WrestleMania 32. The only match I would watch from that is on this set. This is a great set to get. The best pay-per-view matches of 2016. The only match I would watch from that, Shane McMahon versus The Undertaker. I like that match, but not love it. Alright, here. Hold on. What DVD would you like to see from WWE? No Mercy 2016 and Backlash. 2016 Backlash and No Mercy. They're not going to put them out, but please do. My least favorite DVD is WrestleMania 32. And yes, I know I have it. I'm going to say The Architect on the Seth Rollins DVD. Because we have all those matches. I don't know why he didn't come out with a doc. Oh yeah, because it's 2016 and they don't believe in those. I'm just glad that we got a documentary for the Rumble. The true story of the Royal Rumble. So, the next question is, have you watched WWE Evil? I'm in the middle of it, bro. I love it. I am on episode 6. Stephanie McMahon. I'm in the middle of it. And the next one is Ric Flair, number 7. And then the 8th episode is the Tribal Chief, the head of the table, Roman Reigns. I cannot wait to watch these 3 left. I'm in love with this show. And they need to make a season 2 and put this out on DVD. It's great. Now, my favorite episode so far is what I watched, is Randy Orton But my number one, well, my top three, number one is The Miz by far. I think they talked about the Talking Smack promo in 2016 with Daniel Bryan. They talked about how he had to change in the bathroom, a public restroom. Like, come on. And then the next episode I like is the Brothers of Destruction. And then Randy Orton. And you know my next one is going to be Roman Reigns. Because I love Roman Reigns, bro. He is probably the best one to do it since Ric Flair. And no. I'm not finishing that sentence. Nope. Forget what I said there. But the next question is, which YouTuber do you watch that does WWE DVD reviews or videos? Okay, top three. I can't speak today. The DVD Freak, Wrestling Media, of course. And I don't know where he went, but I really enjoyed Wrestling DVD Central. I don't know where those videos went. I don't know what he's doing on YouTube anymore, but Wrestling DVD Central, if you're listening, I am still subscribed to you, bro. Please come back soon. Yeah, those are the top three. The DVD Freak. I know that you're not making videos anymore, but I still watch you on the daily. Like, I watch you every day. You are my inspiration to collect, like, all of these DVDs right here. Like, that box. These right here. That box right there. This. And this. And, dude, and there's more in my room. You are an inspiration to every WWE DVD collector. I'm serious. And then his last three questions are, and then we're gonna get out of here. Which DVD do you recommend from 2021? Money in the Bank 2021. You have Edge versus Roman Reigns for the Universal title. You have the Money in the Bank, and then you have John Cena returning. SummerSlam 2021. You have Edge versus Seth. You have John Cena versus Roman Reigns for the Universal title. You have Goldberg versus Lashley. Who cares? Who cares about that match at all? You have Brock Lesnar returning. And you also get a Roman card if you get it. And then Crown Jewel 2021. You have Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns again. You have Edge versus Seth Rollins in a Hell in the Cell match. That was a barn burner. That was an awesome match. So those are my three. Oh yeah, actually four. Extreme Rules 2021. You have Demon Finn Balor versus Roman Reigns. I really want to get Elimination Chamber from 2021. I'm kind of hoping I get that soon. Put that down in the comments. Should I get Elimination Chamber 2021? And then how did you start your collection? Oh God. So I started watching wrestling in 2010. I think I got my first WWE DVD in December of 2010 because I went to my first WWE show in September of 2010. And I got the toy big gold belt. Oh, sorry. It was upside down. Yeah. My first DVD I got, actually my first bundle of DVDs, I got Extreme Rules 2010, actually, my first DVDs were in 2011. I got Money in the Bank 2011 because Punk versus Cena, come on! SummerSlam 2011, Extreme Rules 2010, Extreme Rules 09, and the John Cena Experience. Yeah. And you can watch my top 5 WWE DVDs that I got. Oh yeah. And also watch, if you're a new collector, you should watch my top 10 WWE DVDs that you should own. That's going to be in the description down below as well. But I don't know what made me start to collect, like, at all. Like, I told you the thing, and then, okay. So, my last question is, if someone is starting to collect, what would you recommend? The Chris Jericho DVD from 2010. All of the 2021 DVDs I told you about. If you can find it for a good price, the Chris Benoit DVD, the Macho Man DVD, the Ric Flair DVDs, the Definitive Collection from 2008, I think. Yeah. Pay-per-views, the Royal Rumble, WrestleMania, SummerSlam, Survivor Series. If you know who this guy is, when you start collecting, you have to get the Undertaker DVDs, the Tombstone DVD. If you don't want them all, you can get the double feature of him dead or alive. You get He Buries Him Alive and the Deadliest Matches in a 4-disc set. You had to get the Last Ride DVD. Mr. WrestleMania, Shawn Michaels. Grab this set if you're looking for a good match comp to watch tonight, or whatever time you're watching this video. My Journey. So those are mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this Q&A. I know I did. I'm sorry this is running a little bit long. But in 2 weeks, it's my 100th Q&A. In 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen, from tonight. Or on Sunday when you're watching this video. But this has been Pat from Force Unboxings, and I'm out. Peace. Thank you, Wrestling Media, for all the questions. For real. Thank you. Peace out.